Hello student, we are going to start with new chapter that is 1.6 Tiger Hills. Tiger Hills is written by Ved Prakash Malik. This is an extract from the book Kargil written by General Ved Prakash Malik. The writer was the army chief during the Kargil War. In this lesson, he described the event in details without any emotion. The lesson is an excellent example of report writing. First paragraph. General Ved Prakash Malik, PVSM, AVSM, served as the 19th Chief of Army Staff of the Indian Army from the 13th September 1997 to 13th September 2000. He was the Army Chief during the Kargil War. He is the recipient of Param Vishisht Seva Medal and Ati Vishisht Seva Medal and Raksha Medal. In this line, what do you mean by PVSM and AVSM? PVSM means Param Vishisht Seva Medal. AVSM means Ati Vishisht Seva Medal. In this line, the general Ved Prakash Malik, he served the nation from 13th September 1997 to 13th September 2000. He served for very long period. He served as a 19th Chief of Army Staff in the Indian Army. He served as the Army Chief in the Kargil War. VP Malik means Ved Prakash Malik is the recipient of Param Vishisht Seva Medal and Ati Vishisht Seva Medal and Raksha Medal. Next paragraph. Kargil from Surprise to Victory is an account of the Kargil victory on 4th July 1996 by General Ved Prakash Malik. It is the finest example of how to write a report. He describes the event in the minutest details but without the slightest depictions of the emotional involvement he had in it. Tiger Hills is an extract from the book Kargil written by General V.P. Malik. In this line, he describes all details and so Tiger Hills is an extract from the book Kargil written by General Ved Prakash Malik, and it is the best example of how to write a report and how to present a report. Next paragraph. Tiger Hill towers majestically. Majestically means magic above all other mountain tops in its vicinity, although located almost 10 kilometers north of Srinagar, Kargil Leh highway. The enemy position on this mountain top dominated part of this highway. After the recapture of Tololing and the adjacent feature. Tololing means place name. Adjacent features means very close area. Evicting. Evicting means strong location. Evicting the enemy from this well fortified. Well fortified means to strengthens a place when well against attack. Position became a priority. In this paragraph, this is very fine and beautiful place. It is located 10 kilometers in the north of the Srinagar Kargil Leh highway. They recaptured Tololing and after they recapturing the Tololing's mountain and the adjacent features, evicting the enemy from well fortified position became priority. Next paragraph. As the sharp triangular top of Tiger Hill was clearly visible from the highway, and appear almost impossible to capture. The media had projected the entire episodes as a national challenge. Projected. Projected means presented. Episode means event. In this line, the enemy position on the mountain top dominated parts of the Srinagar Kargil Leh highway. The enemy position was well fortified and evicting them from there was a challenge. Tololing and the adjacent features were recaptured. The sharp triangular top of the Tiger Hills was clearly visible from the highway and appeared almost impossible to capture. Next paragraph. Brigadier MPS Bajwa, Commander 192 Mountains Brigades assign means to give the mission of capturing Tiger Hills to 18 grenadiers now rested and recovered after their achievements at Tololing and Hum, and 2. 8 Sikh, which was already deployed and at its base. Both these units were assisted by a crack team from the highway altitudes. Warfare School with maximum possible artillery. Artillery means guns, engineering, and other combat support. In this paragraph, Brigadier MPS Bajwa was commander 192 Mountain Brigades assigned the mission of capturing Tiger Hills to 18 grenadiers. 18 grenadiers means they were assigned the mission of capturing Tiger Hill. They were rested and recovered after their achieve of Tololing and Hum. 8 Sikh means they were already deployed at the base of the Tiger Hill. The two units with maximum possible artillery, engineering, and other combat support. The Air Force to targeted Tiger Hill. Throughout the last week of June 1999, 18 grenadiers probed to establish the event of the enemy's defenses and to scout. To scout for means to look for. To scout for suitable routes for the assault. Assault means attack. A simultaneous multi-directional assault emerged as the best strategy. Strategy means plan. The commanding officers of 41 Field Regiment drew up an elaborate artillery fire plan. Individual guns were ranked so as to cover each objective before guns were used in a direct firing roles once again with inspiring accuracy on the day of assault. Nearly 120 field and medium guns, 122 multi-barrel great rocket launchers and mortars rain death and destructions on the enemy at the Tiger Hill. The Air Force 2 targeted Tiger Hill on 2 to 3 July and hit the bull's eye several times during its mission. In this paragraph, high altitudes, warfare schools, artillery combat, defenses, scout, assault strategy, commanding officers, 41 Field Regiment, fire guns, Bofors guns, firing 120 field and medium guns, 122 mm multi-barrel grade rocket, launchers, motors, Air Force mission, etc. All these things were consist in it. Next paragraph. For the first time in India's military history, a TV channel covered the battle live, a sign of progress and transparency. Not to mention the on screen depiction depiction प्रदर्शन of confidence. The Tiger Hill features extend about 2200 meters from west to east and about 1000 meters north to south. The main extension is towards the west, on which there are two prominent prostu- protrusions. Protrusion means a things that extend from the place or from the surface, something that sticks out. The first, approximately 500 meters west of Tiger Hill, had been named India Gate, and the second name Helmet, in bracket, located another 300 meters away. Approximately one company of 12 Northern Light Infantry, in bracket, Pakistan, held the whole picture. In this paragraph, the first time in India's military history, TV channel covered the battle live. That was a sign of progress and transparency. The Tiger Hill picture extends about 2200 meters from to east and 1000 meters north to south. There are two main protrusions. First protrusion is approximately 500 meters west of Tiger Hills, had been named India Gate, and second name Helmet. Next paragraph. At 1900 hours on 3 July, 18 grenadiers commons its multi-directional assault under the cover. Assault under the cover means hidden by, of bad weather and darkness, supported by the fire power of artillery and mortars. Artillery means big gun, mortars means short gun. A company captures an intermediate position called tongue by 0 1 130 130 hours on 4th July. Further, advance advance along the southern east spur. Spur means hill, leading to Tiger Hill top, was stalled due to accurate fire by the enemy from India Gate, Helmet, and top. In this paragraph, now 1900 hours, that was on 3 July, 18 grenadiers, they started their multi-directional assault. It was completely bad weather and darkness, and there was only light by the fire of the artillery and mortars. Artillery means big gun and mortars means short gun. Now there were the team divided with name was a company and sorry the team divided with the name was A company and D company. A company, they captures one intermediate position, and that was called at Tung by 0130 hours on 4th July. Now we will see next paragraph tomorrow.